Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the 25 Chevrolet Corvette C9, a car that's redefining American performance and luxury. Let's get right into it. The exterior of the Corvette C9 is a masterclass in aerodynamics and aggressive design. At first glance, its clear Chevrolet has taken the classic Corvette DNA and elevated it to a whole new level. The sleek lines flow seamlessly from front to back, with a sharper, more angular front fascia that looks ready to slice through the wind. The LED headlights are slimmer and more dynamic, giving the car a futuristic yet distinctly Corvette identity. The signature mid-engine profile remains, but the sculpted side intakes are now larger and more pronounced, hinting at the beast within. Around back, the quad exhaust setup is neatly integrated into the redesigned diffuser, and the taillights feature a new, intricate lighting pattern that screams innovation. The new wheel designs, available in a range of finishes, perfectly complement the bold stance of the C9. Under the hood, or more accurately, behind the seats, the 2025 Corvette C9 packs a next-generation 5.5-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine. This powerhouse delivers an eye-watering 725 horsepower and 690 lb-ft of torque, allowing the C9 to rocket from 0 to 60 in just 2.7 seconds. Paired with an advanced dual-clutch 8-speed transmission, the shifts are lightning fast and smooth. The new active aerodynamic system dynamically adjusts to optimize downforce and stability at high speeds, making this Corvette not just a straight-line missile but also a cornering champion. Whether you're on the track or a winding mountain road, the precision and control of the C9 are truly next level. Moving inside, the Corvette C9 continues to impress. The cockpit is driver-focused, with premium materials everywhere you look. The seats are wrapped in leather and Alcantara, offering both comfort and support. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, and the infotainment system is faster and more intuitive than ever, with a massive touchscreen tilted towards the driver. Ambient lighting adds a touch of sophistication, while the sound system, engineered by Bose, delivers crystal-clear audio quality. Its clear Chevrolet has paid attention to every detail to make this car feel as premium as it performs. That's the 2025 Chevrolet Corvette C9. What do you think? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. Thanks for watching.